Hey there, fellow car people. What's going on? It's Ken Jackson. Welcome back to the fourth dimension. Hope you guys are doing all right today. Check on your family, check on your friends. COVID is real. Even if you don't think it's real, check on your people. Take care of each other, man. We still got sickness going around, period. So be safe, man. Wash your hands. Look out for each other, man. Anyway, today we're gonna be installing these side skirts. Kind of side skirts, whatever you want to call them. I don't know. I'm gonna put a link, pop the screenshot up on the screen, where you can get it from Amazon. I got the medium length ones. I don't remember the exact length, but they got small black, small carbon fiber. I'm going with like underwear sizes or t-shirt sizes. They got small, it probably ends right here. You got the medium, which is what I got, and then you got the long one that goes all the way across the bottom of the side skirt of the car. I just got plain black because you know the what do you call it? You know the palette of the car, or I don't know what the fuck you call it. You know the design of the car. I'm going with white and black. Jeez. Now, just like the front bumper, nice shiny little black. It's gonna match my rims nicely. We got the easy side skirt on here. So of course, it's kind of cold out here. You know what that means. You can either pull it off, you can take some goof off and help you pull it off, or you can take a heat gun and some goof off, and that'll help. The easy side skirt has to come off. Not that it's bad. I've had it for about a few months. It's been about a year actually, and it's still sitting up the same way I put it on there. That's what I don't like about it. I messed up on it, and now it looks like that. So we're gonna pull this one off, we're gonna pull that one off, and we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna install this. Let me see where this is gonna stop at. Right there, the rear door, just right there. How are we gonna install this? You know how, boy. You know how this gonna go. You always see the drill right there. Got some screws. Gotta drill some holes in my baby. I really hate to do that. Good little Ryobi drill. Just a standard drill from Ryobi. Pretty cheap. Comes with the battery. Comes with the charger. And it comes with a screwdriver head. That's it. This, on the other hand, was a limited time offer, so you're gonna have to find something else. This deal might still be going on. You might be able to still get it in stock at Home Depot. Like I said in the other video, it's about $9. Screwdriver set piece, flat head, star heads, Phillips head, hex heads, all that is up there. You got your drill bits, and you got the extended screwdriver heads. They have another kit that got the hole saw pieces and all the other stuff. Blah, 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 blah. This is Ryobi. I'm using this. I'm not a construction worker. You don't need DeWalt or Milwaukee. You don't need to spend that much money. This Ryobi is going to get the job done. It's been getting the job done for the months that I've had it. It's a good drill. Got a Ryobi set, the drill, the impact driver, and the impact wrenches, and a pressure washer. They some good tools, just in case people are scared to get these. They're good tools. Just like a lot of people like Black & Decker, these Ryobis are good too. So I already lined up where I want to put it. We're going to pull the side skirts off. We're going to line it up to where we want to put the screws at. Now I do wish, it's already got a little dirt on it. Now I do wish they had a plate, a bigger plate right here, so, because it's a thin piece. So I'm going to have to line it up and be extra careful. I wish there was a little more play up in here. But we're gonna install these. We're gonna get right back to you guys and show you how it is. Like I said, if you have any type of adhesive or side skirts on there, take your heat gun to loosen it up, or take some goof off to loosen it up. Let's hop into this install. Oh, one thing I do want to mention is that I have a car like this because I don't have a jack. I do have a jack, but it's not here at the house right now. I have the car like that so I can get a little bit of space up under there instead of it being, you know how low these Maximas sit. Instead of it being like just flat, you know, give me a little space, you know. Now, that easy side skirt, that shit is on there tight. So it's doing a damn good job. It's worth the money if you were scared, but god dog, I'm having a hard time pulling it off. It's on there tight. It's doing a good job. It's doing its job, boy. All right, let me finish installing this. You know what I hate? You read the instructions and say it should take like 30 minutes to do it. It ended up taking you like 2 hours. Look at the sky, man. Go back and watch the beginning of the video compared to now. Anyway, first of all, that easy side skirt made this job so much harder. It looks okay though. It looks okay. One problem I had, these lights under the car. I had to make sure I wasn't drilling a hole into those lights. Once those lights cut off though, turn this off. Looks okay, huh? Looks a little bit okay. Now I gotta do the other side. boy, let me do this before it get too dark. Well, it's already too dark. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Drilling holes underneath the car. I do not like drilling holes in my car as long as it's not like visible. It's under the car, so it's okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Put a link in the description for the product. I'll see you guys next time.